In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to create images with Bing Image Creator. So without further ado, let's jump right into this video. If you're new to my YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe for more if you haven't subscribed yet. So what we have to do first is here, let's write bing.creator. Click on the first result, bing.com/creator. And here, what we have to do, and what I'm doing every time I'm writing a prompt or I'm creating a prompt, because maybe I don't have any idea for a prompt, I don't know what to write. So what I'm using to create a prompt, well, usually I'm using Bard, but there's other options. You can use Chat GDP, you can use you can also use Bing AI, and I'm actually gonna use both, or I'm gonna try see which one is better. But first, let me show you how to create a prompt for image creator for Microsoft Designer. Alright, so here, let's say I have an idea, and this is my idea. Grand Theft Auto, GTA 5, whatever, that's my idea, or any other GTA. Maybe GTA 6 and maybe 5, whatever you want, but let's say is 5 or 6 or whatever you want. And what I'm doing, every time I'm creating a prompt, I'm writing here, create a prompt based on this text. And now create a prompt based on this text, or you can also write based on this text, generate a prompt. Or you can also write based on this text, which is this one here, generate a prompt. And I'm gonna use this prompt for, or this prompt, or this, yeah, prompt for Bard. Paste this here and submit. Now let's see a prompt. Here we have a prompt, create, compose, whatever. You see so many prompts ideas. I can grab this one. And if the prompt it's really detailed, there's a lot of things, like this is really detailed, just make sure you write here, make the prompt short or something like that. And now let's see Microsoft Bing is generating a prompt, and it is, sure, here's a prompt based on, yeah, again, now it's up to you, but Microsoft Bing, it's good as well, creates, helps you. You can also select here, instead of precise, you can select balanced or creative. Now I'm gonna just copy this prompt and go to image creator from Microsoft Bing, paste this and click on create. And by the way, if you're not familiar with image creator from Designer, Microsoft Bing, create images more quickly with Boost. If you run out, image generation may take longer. So these are here the image boosts you have. I have 11 right now, but yeah, I'm gonna consume more. Now I have 10. Now we just have to wait. Your image is being created by AI. Here we also have surprise me, so it's gonna generate some prompts for you. You can also see here recent, and here we have some images based on our prompt. I can click now here and I can see the image, I can see the prompt, I can share it, I can save it, I can download this prompt or customize it. What's cool that I can also click on customize here, and now you have you are in Designer, Microsoft Designer, which is really nice and cool because this can help you basically design this image. You also have some templates here. But here you can replace, you can remove the background, you can crop, you have image tools here, you can quick select the background, position, change the opacity, You can also, you have here some ideas, really nice ideas. Save you some time to create some nice work. Now for this one, background, you can of course detach the background here, and now we have the option to remove background. And we can wait, and we can also quick select, can add media from here. Now we remove the background. Here you also have some contrast, change the contrast, just basically edit the image, add some blur, remove background here. So yeah, pretty nice, really helpful. You also have shapes here, videos, generate photos, graphics, videos. You can also generate an image using a description. Really cool. Text and brand kit. Pretty nice, pretty helpful. Now let's generate more prompts. Now let's generate another image. I pasted here another prompt. I also leave all the prompts in the description of this video if you like to use them. And let's see now the results. And here we have some really interesting results. Looks nice, but I would like something more. Okay, now let's try the next prompt. Create. You can also describe artist style, like Van Gogh. A sunny landscape painting in the style of Van Gogh. A tip. You also have tip while you're waiting, which is not really nice, really cool. Alright. You can also explore here ideas. And here we have another image. It's really nice. So yeah, that's pretty much it. If you have any questions or suggestions for the next tutorial, let me know in the comments section. I'll create a video for you. And let me know your thoughts in the comment section. I would like to read your thoughts in the comment section. I like to hear what are your thoughts about this Bing AI images creator, you know. Do you like this image creator from a designer with Microsoft Bing? It's helpful. Have you used it before, or is your first time? So leave your comments down below, and now I'll see you in the next video. Take care.